A1 vocabulary. 50 essential A1 English words with examples. 5 words. Clear pronunciation. Practical examples. Listen. Read. Repeat. A1 level. Verb. The word is achieve. Pronunciation, achieve. Meaning, to successfully reach a goal. Achieve. Example sentence. She worked hard to achieve her dream. Achieve. Example sentence. We can achieve better results together. Achieve. Example sentence. He achieved a high score in the test. Listen and repeat. Achieve. Again. Achieve. Say it aloud twice. A1 level. Verb. The word is borrow. Pronunciation, borrow. Meaning, to take something for a short time and return it. Borrow. Example sentence. Can I borrow your pencil? Borrow. Example sentence. She borrowed a book from the library. Borrow. Example sentence. I borrowed an umbrella from my friend. Listen and repeat. Borrow. Again. Borrow. Say it aloud twice. A1 level. Adjective. The word is confident. Pronunciation, confident. Meaning, feeling sure about your abilities. Confident. Example sentence. She feels confident before the presentation. Confident. Example sentence. He gave a confident answer. Confident. Example sentence. Practice helps you become more confident. Listen and repeat. Confident. Again. Confident. Say it aloud twice. A1 level. Verb. The word is discover. Pronunciation, discover. Meaning, to find something for the first time. Discover. Example sentence. They discovered a hidden room. Discover. Example sentence. I discovered a new way to study English. Discover. Example sentence. Scientists discover new things every year. Listen and repeat. Discover. Again. Discover. Say it aloud twice. A one level. Verb. The word is improve. Pronunciation, improve. Meaning, to become better or make something better. Improve. Example sentence. Reading every day will improve your English. Improve. Example sentence. The weather improved in the afternoon. Improve. Example sentence. She wants to improve her pronunciation. Listen and repeat. Improve. Again. Improve. Say it aloud twice. Great work. Review this lesson tomorrow to remember more words. Subscribe for the next lesson. Word a Day English.